Introducing the ultimate slow cooker. GreenPan's groundbreaking 8-in-1 design and innovative one-touch presets make family-size meals easy. The exclusive in-pot browning technology delivers maximum flavor, so you can spend your time focusing on tasty, family-sized dishes any time of day. GreenPan's signature PFAS-Free Nonstick makes cooking and cleanup worry-free. And the removable hard anodized pot rinses clean and is dishwasher safe. The hardest part will be picking your color. Transform your counter into a do-it-all kitchen with GreenPan.
Lasting performance. This is the Nutribullet Immersion Blender. Now, you can blend directly in your stovetop pot, bowl, or cup, making food prep fast and convenient. The compact and powerful 350-watt motor, combined with the 8-inch S-blade arm, is just right for blending a creamy soup from scratch to a nutrient-rich smoothie. 2 programmed speeds and the variable speed dial gives you even more control for perfect textures every time. Easily change to the twist-on whisk to take the work out of homemade whipped cream or even a fluffy omelet. The 20-ounce chopping bowl is ideal for lightning-fast, no-mess prep. The 30-ounce cup is perfect for measuring, blending, pouring, and storing. The Nutribullet Immersion Blender is easy to clean and small enough to store in a countertop drawer. Bring blending to the palm of your hand with the Nutribullet Immersion Blender.